Wow, look at those beautiful clouds. Now we are finally landing in Bali, and I can't wait to show you this beautiful place. This is day one of our Bali trip, and it's going to be amazing. Okay, so we have landed at Bali airport. Look at these beautiful statues and paintings. Bali's culture is already shining through. And check this out. The immigration process was so smooth with these automatic gates. Super convenient. Well, now we are going to Ubud. Let's see what we can capture in our way. We make a quick stop for lunch, and our driver brought us to this amazing restaurant called Semar Cunning Restaurant. Here we can get Indian vegetarian food as well. And here we are, the Lokha Ubud Resort. The road leading down to the resort is so unique. It felt like we are entering a hidden paradise. Look at this entrance. It's so beautiful and welcoming. This is our villa with private pool. It's cozy, spacious, and perfect for our family. The living area is great for relaxing, and the bedroom is very comfortable. And here are the highlights. What a great first day in Bali. From the airport to our resort, everything has been perfect. We are so excited for our day to tomorrow. See you in the next video.